All right, so today we are going to be doing just a little bit of unboxing. Got a few items I just got here, so let's check them out. So, first box, we got cases. So let's see, we got one case, two case, three cases, all for the new iPad mini. And then, let's see, there we go. So this is the new iPhone 13. Got that over here. And last box, I'm guessing that y'all probably know what this one is. Da-da-da-da. iPad mini. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get all this stuff open and let's talk about it. So first things first, I think we'll start with the new iPhone. Not that exciting this year, or is it that exciting? We'll check it out. I got too many boxes. So this is what you get. This is the new iPhone 13. I went with this gold color. I like gold. I didn't want to go with blue because I kind of figured everybody was probably gonna be getting the blue one. So we went with the gold instead. That camera bump is a bit bigger than I expected, but we all expected it to be kind of big. Let's start by turning this on. And while we wait for that, we know we got instructions, stickers, all that good stuff, and you do have your charger, your USB Type-C to Lightning charger. We know that we got that. It's in the box as well. Now, we're just gonna let that sit over there because I'm not gonna drop all my information in right now, but we're gonna move on to the one that I was really most excited to see, which is the Mini. So I picked up the 6th generation. It's the Wi-Fi only, and this one right here is 64 gigabytes. I didn't need much storage on this, and the memory configuration, everything is the same no matter what size you get. So I did pick up that champagne color. Now already just taking that out of the box, I like the feel of this already. Like we'll get back to it. In the box you do get just your normal instructions, your power brick, and your USB Type-C to C cable. And that's it. So I mentioned I picked up that Starlight color. Let's go ahead and peel the paper off and let's see. And I kind of was looking to match the color of the iPhone. It, like on camera, it looks more of a silver. If I can hold it up right here, it kind of looks more like a silver color. I still really like the feel of it though. It is almost the same size as the Apple Pencil. Oh, that's crazy. All right, let's turn this one on too. All right, so got those unboxed. Let's do this because we know what an iPhone is, we know what an iPad is. I just really wanted to take them out of the box. I'm gonna focus on everything else a little later on, but right here we do have cases. Now this case right here is dark cherry. Then we got the electric orange, and I don't know if they're calling this one wisteria as well, but English lavender. That's what we got, English lavender. Keep that in mind. Dark cherry, English lavender, electric orange. There are two more colors, basically your black and your white. I didn't pick those up because most people already know what those look like. One of my favorite colors being the orange. It's a very, very, very small form factor. Like that thing, I the size of it, the weight of it, I'm shocked right off bat. But this is your orange casing. That's it. Smartfolio. It's orange. I'll be doing a full like breakdown of these cases. You'll see them in another video very shortly, but that's pretty much what we got right there. Electric orange. And I got iPhone cases over here. I've already done like full unboxing and showed you guys those. But this is the English lavender, and then we got dark cherry right here. Kind of looks black on the camera, but it's more of a purple plumish color. And that's pretty much it. So we got iPhone over here, 13. Got a nice weight to it. I'll be dropping all my information in there and coming back in a future video. And then if I got like too much stuff going on now. And we got like 3 of the new color cases for the iPad mini. And then we got the iPad mini itself over here. I'm gonna get all my information dropped in. Just want to do a quick little unboxing type setup because all this stuff just got here. So this is what we got. iPhone 13, we already got cases. We'll be checking those out a little later. We got cases for the iPad mini, and we got the mini itself right here. So we are good to go. I'll be, like I said, putting all my information in, getting this stuff checked out, and then what we will do is come back with a full follow-up of everything just to see how I like it, if I do, and what we are going to do with all this stuff. So hopefully this has held your attention for a little bit. I know there's tons of unboxings and everything out there. I just wanted to make a real quick video just to showcase some of this stuff, but that's pretty much it. iPad mini, iPhone 13, iPad mini cases, iPhone cases. We already talked about those, but that's pretty much it. So hit that subscribe button. Be sure and stay tuned because we're gonna come back and I'm gonna be breaking down all this stuff. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.